हेलो गाइस, मैं हूं मानकस वाला और आप देख रहे हैं मानक कोडर। आज हम बनाने वाले हैं एक क्विज ऐप। इसमें ईटिंग फूड्स का कुछ होगा, फूड्स करके कुछ होगा। तो चलिए कोड डॉट ऑक पे जाते हैं। चलिए साइन इन करते हैं। आप साइन इन कर लिया। अब जाएंगे ऐप लैब पर और गाइस अब जाना है डिज़ाइन पर। और अब आपको 13 से या 14 तक की स्क्रीन बना लेनी है। तो चलिए इधर इधर प्रेस करोगे ना तो दो आएगा, इंपोर्ट स्क्रीन और न्यू स्क्रीन। तो हमें न्यू स्क्रीन करनी है। ये बहुत टाइम करेगी। तो जो भी स्क्रीन पर हो ना आप, जैसे कि आप पहली स्क्रीन पर हो, इधर डुप्लीकेट करते जाओ। 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 और 14। Okay. So going to our first screen, then we will write our ID to intro screen. And taking our area 51. Taking 3 buttons. You can choose it. Which did you like the most? So take most of 3 buttons. Okay, size should be more. This more some. And one more button we need. One more button. So first is our vegetable. We will change it ID to veggie table and text also to veggie table. Okay, this should be our fruits. ID also fruits and text also fruit. Okay, this should be our junk food. This should be junk food. Junk food. And text also should be junk food. Junk food. So we will take another screen to screen number 2, and then this should be our vegetable screen. So vegetable screen, and then we will put this image. I need we will change forever, means we will change. Okay, so this should be our image button. One more image, more button, one more image. Now it's end. So this is our vegetable. So first we will put, let's see how many did I have. Let's take cabbage. Okay, choose cabbage, and here should be cauliflower. Okay, so here would be cauliflower. Here should be chili. Let's see, did I have chili? I have chili also. So button, this should be cabbage button. only we are writing cabbage. This should be cabbage. Most of you like cabbage. If anyone likes chili, please comment below. The button should be named as cauliflower. Which did you like the most from these three? Please comment. Text cauliflower. Flower. Okay, so this the button should be named as chili. Chili. And ID should be chili. Okay, so going to our third screen. Yep, here is our third screen. This is of this is cabbage screen. We will give the benefits also. So, what are the benefits of cabbage? If you know, please comment. Now we have to search benefits of cabbage. Cabbage is, yes, this one. It's packed with nutrients. Okay. It may help keep cancer away. Okay, we will write this. Cancer को दूर करते हैं. It may. It's. We will copy it and we will paste. Okay, it's done. So now we will put this here. Away. Okay, so we want another screen number 4, named as cauliflower. I also don't know the benefits of cauliflower. Cauliflower of cabbage. What? It has vitamin C. Okay. We will write it. It has full vitamin C. Oh, cauliflower. Okay, cauliflower is don't taste like a sour. It doesn't taste like. Okay, so we will put not but. Okay, we will copy this. Control C. Control V. We pasted. Where did it gone? Where did it go, man? Oh my god. We will take a text area. We will paste that thing. Okay. Oh, don't. And it's so boring. Vitamin C. We'll copy full of this. Control V. Okay, so we will size it big. Oh no, not this. Okay, going to our screen number 5. We done a mistake. This should be our cabbage. Where's our number 4 screen? This should be our cauliflower. So, going to a 5th screen, I should be chili. Usually, this also I don't know the benefits of chili. Uh, so, putting text area, size 220, bigger. This time we will also copy. We will speak. Okay, so benefits of chili.
According to Nourish magazine, boasting high amounts of vitamin C and antioxidants, chilies have been found to help prevent lifestyle diseases including some cancers and stomach.
Shut up. Help in digestion. Okay, we will copy 10 out of 10 not. But okay, so 4. Not 4 but only 2. Control C, going to here, Control V. Going to our 6th screen, this should be our fruit screen. Here will be lemonade. This is our fruit screen. Taking an image, one more image, one button, one more button, and the last button. Fast, man. If you don't know how to download an image from Chrome, so comment in section. So I have downloaded, so we will take to upload file. Okay, so there will be tomato, not there will be apple. Oh, what is this, man? Here would be banana. Where are you? Here I am, banana. Let's see, one more. Did I have tomato? Yes, I have tomato. Tomato is a vegetable or a fruit. Going to our next screen is to our Apple screen. This also I don't know. There would be a rhyme named keeping the doctor away, राइम है कि एप्पल खाने से डॉक्टर अवे होता है, पता नहीं अब क्या होगा। लेट्स चेक बेनिफिट्स ऑफ एप्पल।
Here's a summary from
So-
Everyday Health. 7 outstanding health benefits of apples. Apples may lower high cholesterol and blood pressure.
Shut up!
Eating foods with fiber, including apples,
Shut up! बोला रहा एक बार नहीं बोलने का ज्यादा, वरना बोलने की बीमारी हो जाती है। ओके ओके, सो अब इधर पेस्ट कर देंगे। अरे पेस्ट हो ना। ओके, सो इधर से हम डाल देंगे, डाल देंगे। Oh, bigger man, bigger man, bigger man, bigger. Okay, so it's been going to our 8th screen. It's our what? It's our banana screen. I have a doubt. So going to a fruit screen. It's my best. मैंने बोला था कुछ ना कुछ तो है। देखो इधर नाम तक नहीं लिखे मैंने। बहुत बड़ा होने वाला है ये। अरे भाई टोमेटो में एप्पल क्यों डाल रहा हूँ मैं? गाइस आज के लिए इतना ही, ये कर देते हैं आज के लिए, इतना तो करना ही पड़ेगा वरना वीडियो बहुत बड़ा हो जाएगा। तो आज के लिए इतना ही, अगली वीडियो में हम आगे का कर देंगे। बाय ऑल ऑफ यू, बाय बाय। आओ जी।